Do you believe me when I tell you that my dog created this picture? I will show you how your dog can also create this wonderful memory. You will need a small canvas, various paint colors, a leak-proof bag, and your dog's favorite nut butter or vegetable puree. And let's get started. First, spread a thick layer of paint on the canvas. Henry already found that super interesting. As soon as you have finished, carefully place the painting in the sealed bag. Spread the vegetable puree and nut puree on top. Your dog will create a unique picture by just licking off the puree. As soon as he has finished, cut open the bag and leave the picture to dry. And that's it! Have fun recreating this activity with your dog. He will love it.